Hi Berry Elementary, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a STEM activity. The STEM activity we will be doing is a rain cloud in a jar, and we will be able to see how the water cycle works. Before we begin, please make sure you ask your parents for permission and for help because this experiment might get messy. The materials you will need for this project are shaving cream, food coloring, cups, straws, water, and a jar. We are going to start off by pouring water into our jar and filling it about 3/4 of the way. Make sure you're not filling it up all the way. And now we're going to add our shaving cream. It's supposed to be a little bit on top of the brim of the jar or the cup you're using, but remember that the shaving cream will expand, so don't add too much. While we're waiting for our shaving cream to finish expanding, we are going to add water to our smaller cups so that we can make our colored water. We are going to add the food coloring, but please make sure you ask your parents or wear a glove because food coloring will stain your hands. I chose to do 2 colors, which were blue and red, but you can use a lot more colors than I did. And now we are going to mix the colors into the water to make sure that they are vibrant. And if you don't have food coloring, you can also use your watercolors. Just dip your brush into the water and act like you're gonna paint something. Now that we're ready to start this experiment, I will explain what each of these elements represent. Our shaving cream will represent our clouds, our water will represent the air, and our colored water will represent the rain. Now let's get started with our experiment. We will begin to add a few drops of our colored water to our shaving cream to represent the water weighing on our clouds. And this part is messy, so make sure that you put something at the bottom of your jar so your table doesn't get all dirty. The colored water is getting heavy on our clouds, and once the cloud can no longer hold the water, it will begin to rain through the air, which is what happens when it rains. You can see how it didn't take very long for our rain to start falling down. But you can always add a little bit more, just making sure that you don't add way too many colored water because then our colors will begin to mix. You can also try to not mix your colors when you're putting them in the shaving cream, so it will be less likely that they mix when they're falling down. I let it sit for a little bit longer, and as you can see, our colors have now mixed and created a puddle at the bottom of the jar, but you can still see a little bit of the colored water still falling down. And this is going to be our final product. I already let it sit for a little bit, but you can still see the red and the blue in there. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys try it at home, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!